Hi students, I am back again with a new video on C++ programming. Okay, so make sure you concentrate on the lecture as well as try to do it with me so that it will help you to write programs easily on your own. Okay, that is more important, that you should write your programs on your own. Okay, and I will try to explain each and every topic with live demo, so it will be better for you to understand. Okay. Okay. Now let's move towards the next point, which is managing input output. This is from unit 2 again. Okay. So in the previous video we have seen the basic structure of C++ program, and also we have done with one simple program for displaying some message. Correct. Okay, now today we have to learn about input output. As we all know, your program takes some input. Correct, you process that input in your program and display some output. Correct. So how to take input and how to display output? So we have one library, standard library header file, which is iostream. This we have seen and we have used in the previous video. Correct, in our basic simple program we have used iostream. Iostream is input output stream. It provides you two objects, which is cin and cout. Cin is for reading the data and cout is for displaying the data. Correct, and we have used cout for displaying our message, okay, in the previous video. So how to use this cin and cout? We have syntax for cin. Cin, this is the extraction operator. With cin we use extraction operator, and here we have to display the variable name. And with cout we use insertion operator and then the variable name. So in this way you can use your input output. You can manage your input output with the help of cin and cout. Understood? Now let's move towards the demo. We'll write one more program so that you can understand it quickly. Okay. So here I have taken one simple program again to read roll number and name from user and display it. Okay. So in the beginning I am taking simple programs to boost your confidence for writing the program on your own. Okay. So start writing it. Do it with me. It will help you. Okay. First thing in the program we do is to include the header file. So I will include my header file here. Which header file I have to include? Hash include IO stream. So I will include hash include IO stream for input output stream. Okay. And with that we have to use using namespace std. That's it. Okay. Part of your program is to define a class. Okay. So I will define here one class. Let me give name as student, class student. In this class what we have to do? We have to take the data members and member functions. Correct. Now we require how many variables? One for roll number and one for name. So two variables we require. So I'm declaring here two variables. Let's say int roll number and string I'm taking name. So I have two variables, one for roll number and one for name. After that we have to define the functions. Okay. So we have to perform two operations. One is for reading and one is for displaying. Correct. So let me write two different functions. Void, first is get data. Okay. And second is, let me take void display. Clear? So we have taken two functions, void get data and void display. In get data we are going to read the values. We are going to read the values. Okay. So I want to display one message. For displaying we have function, or we have object cout. Cout, let's say enter student roll number. Okay. And I'll read this with the help of cin. Yes, cin, in which variable we have to read this? R number. Clear? Again, cout, enter name of student. Correct. And we will read this with the help of cin, in which variable? In name variable. Okay. So this much is clear to everyone, how to display and how to read. This cout is used to display and cin is used to read. Okay. Next is to display. For display, we use what? Cout. So let me display first roll number. Roll number is then in R number. After that, I will display name of student, and it is there in variable name. That's it. Clear this much? Okay. So we have defined two functions. One is get data for reading the input, and one is display function to display the output. Clear this much? Okay. One thing we forgot here to add public, as by default access specifier is private. I'll add here public. Now next part of your program is to define the main function. Yes, so we'll write here main function, int main. In main function, first thing which we do is to create the object. So our class name is student. Let me create object, class name, object name. Okay, class is student. Okay. Once you create the object, you can access your data members and member functions of your class. Yes, with the help of dot operator. So I'm using obj dot. Obj dot, first we need to call get data function for reading the input. So I'm calling here get data and semicolon. Obj dot, we need to call what? Display function. That's it. Okay. So this is our simple program for reading input from user and displaying. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let's execute this. So student roll number, I am entering 101, and student name, I am giving my name as student. Okay, and this is the output. Roll number is 101 and name of student is Farzana. Understood? So I hope it is clear to everyone. It is very simple. Try to do it on your own and try different questions for input and output. And if you face any query, any problem, then you can contact me in the comment box, or you can meet me in the department. Okay, that's it for today. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.